Today I'm going to be reviewing this honey blonde highlighted hair from UNICE Hair Company in their Betty You series. So I'm gonna get right into the video. If you like videos like this, please comment down below. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get more updates when I post videos, because I'm sorry I don't really post them that frequently. I'm trying. It is. Yeah, let's try it. There's nothing wrong with Uni's hair per se, like they've never done me wrong. But the reason that I will not be supporting Uni's hair is because when I went on their Instagram, I noticed that they do not, like, their 99% of their posts are Black people, but the people up in front making money, making the big coins, are Asians. I mean, there's nothing wrong with having Asians in your company, but if you're going to make money off of Black people, supporting your business, showing off your hair, at least have Black people, you know, as the representative, showing off the hair for customers to buy on their Instagram live, being in the storefronts, like all that type of stuff. And it just looks wrong. And then another thing that turned me off was when they posted a Black Tuesday post for George Floyd. It just looked really ingenuine. Why would you post a Black Tuesday thing for George Floyd when there are only for George Floyd, when there are many, you know, of these events happening for Black people every day of their lives? So it's like, you're not really supporting us, you're just making money off of us. And so that's why from now on, I will try to be supportive of Black owned hair care, because, you know, it goes back to the community. It's not like, oh, we're gonna do a fake little post here about George Floyd and call it a day and say we did our support. If you're really trying to support Black people, donate to, you know, foundations like the NAACP, and be an active advocate for Black people and for their needs, not just make money off of them. So, I mean, there's nothing wrong with their hair, it's cheap, but I mean, is it worth it in the long run if, you know, they're not supporting us? And I'm not saying you shouldn't get their stuff, I'm just saying that I'm not going to be supporting a company that does not, you know, stand behind fully and support Black people. So yeah, that's my take on that. But let me review this hair. This hair is, I'm gonna link the thing below because I forgot how much I bought this hair for. But this hair is the Too Hot for the Summer blonde highlight hair, you know what I mean? I just had to have it because I don't have any blonde highlighted hair. So it's like, let me play around with this. And I got this hair and I'm really liking it so far. The one thing I didn't like was that the smell when I got it, it smelled like, you know, the African stores where they do hair and they sell food. Yeah, that's what it smelled like. So I don't know where this hair been. I washed it or whatever. This lace looks like it is 6 inches, I have to say, but because I'm a big-headed girl, I don't think the lace goes back far enough. It literally just stops right here. So it's kind of like a bump right here in the middle. I can't really say much about like tangling. I can say that, I don't know if it had to do with me plucking it, but it did shed hella much. Like, it sheds so much. Hair all over the place in the bathroom. Just hair everywhere. The one I got is 22 inches, I think. One thing that I would say is that this hair may not necessarily be for every skin tone. I wish they dyed up here a little bit darker, just so that it can match, you know, look more realistic, not just like brown, blonde. If you are really trying to, you know, support Black people, and you know some hair companies that I can support, or you have a hair company that I can support, please let me know. Put it in the comments if you have any companies that you know of that need support for their hair that are Black. Maybe I'll show you guys a video of how I pluck units now, because honestly I used to be so bad and just be a full thick bush up here. I mean, it's still a little bit full, but I'm getting better. So as I grow, you will grow. It's giving you 2008 Beyonce realness. I've been watching too much Pose. Okay, but that's showing the shit. Let me do my makeup, you know, show you the final look. Probably look pretty similar to this because I don't do full-on makeup anymore. Unfortunately, this is where my phone died and the video cut. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and like more videos like this, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.